I'm Jaíne Mackievicz. People can find me online on Instagram at Mackievicz and on Substack at Jaínes. California is spectacular, you know, in so many aspects with the variety of what you find. And I feel so inspired every day to cook with what I get because it's special, it really is. And I think this connects me to who I am in the kitchen because it's almost like I'm at home back in Brazil and South America. I love prunes because they're versatile. You can do a lot with prunes. Really, you can do a lot, both in savory and baking. I think prunes are rich in sweetness, in umami, in depth of flavor. You can infuse flavors in prunes and you can extract flavors from prunes. And that's, when you can do a lot with an ingredient. I think they're sweet and there's a caramel note to them, but they're not overly sweet. So you can use them, for meats, for flavoring stews, for roasting. You can use them in soups, which I love. And you can also use prunes for their consistency, which fascinates me. They turn into puree beautifully. They make wonderful glazes, and they're just really so good to snack on.